Hello. Right. This is my once every now and again play of a game just because. And this is down there to the Sinclair User Edition, which I had no idea what I was doing. I obviously I remember getting it, and I really like the graphics and everything like that. Really nice. Obviously you got kind of like green LCD type characters, but the colours of everything else around is really nice. It's playing through right now, and the poor old Dan Dare's getting shot to pieces. There you go, it's a bit like a cartoon. Right, so yeah, Sinclair User Edition of Dan Dare 2. I don't know if it's a cut down version. Never really got anywhere in it, to be honest with you, and I don't think I'm going to get anywhere in it again, so let's give it a go. We'll just make sure I got Kempston stick and start the game. Let's go. Right. Now, I actually have a joypad working. No, this is helpful. Oh, yeah, right, okay. Oh. Uh, oh. I don't know what I'm doing. I really don't know what I'm doing. Dan shoots the force field generator. Woohoo! Now, come on, what's going on here? Come on. Stop it. Right, get through, please. Get through. Do you have to shoot those? Yeah, you have to shoot these doors to get through. Dancing. Oh, seriously? You have to start all the way back from the beginning. You have to shoot the door. For some reason, these are kind of like throwing me off to one side. So let's. I'm through. Right, I'm being pulled through. I'm being pulled through, and I got squished. The sound is pretty basic. There's a shame there's no like 128k sound. It's just 48k noise. Yeah, so what's happening is that I'm being pulled over to the left, and I'm pushing right and firing, and nothing's happening. But then I have to kind of get off there. So they're like kind of magnetized things. They're like magnets that are pulling me around. So right now, the force field is done, so I don't need to go left. Right, and stay away from those because they're like force generators or something. I died. And that was it. Dan Dare 2, Sinclair User Edition. They don't make them easy. It's not that I got worse as I got older. I think I just lack the patience to want to try and get better. I don't have the time to spend getting better on things like this, whereas I did when I was 14, something like that. I don't know, 13, 14. I did have the time all weekend long, pretty much. Not now though. So yeah, that was it. Should I have a nut? Nah. Alright, that'll do. Cheers.